Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. And basically here we can see that so this is the third video in the bookmarks video series. So basically here, based on this selection, I am trying to display the top 25 products. So here I am trying to display the top products based on the country selection. And here one more reset button. It means that it clear all the filters that we have done for the each country selection. Okay, for example, let me select a few of them. I'm trying to select Canada. Now you can see top 25 products in the Canada region. Again, Germany, France, and Australia, UK, USA. Okay, for example, if you want to clear all the filter selection, just click on that. So it is clearing all the filters. Okay, like that. So based on the selection, it is displaying dynamically. If you want to clear, we can clear it. Okay, so we'll try to see so what kind of logic I have written to get these products and all. So go to demo measures. It's very simple only. So try to zoom in. Yeah, basically here I declared two variables. In the first variable, I'm trying to find the product wise ranking based on the sales amount in descending order. Again, I'm just restricting only top 25 products. I do not want all the products for each region wise. So same thing I'm taking as a tax amount also. Here we can see that based on the tax amount. Okay, so likewise I have done the report. So we'll try to go through the bookmarks also. Go to view, bookmarks selection pane. So again same thing. So here I have created around 6 bookmarks like Canada, France, Germany, UK. So based on the respective bookmark, I have done the action. So it means that go to the action. Here we can see that bookmark is Germany. Okay. Likewise, I have implemented all the respective bookmarks. Now it's working fine. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. In the next video we'll try to cover in different scenario guys. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Thanks guys.